In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook ad activity step by step. If you've been interacting with ads on Facebook and want to clear your activity history, remove ad interactions, or improve your privacy, Facebook provides options that allow you to manage and delete certain advertising activity connected to your account. The process is simple once you know where to find the settings, so let's get started. First, open your web browser or the Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or the menu icon. From there, open the Settings and Privacy section, and then click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section related to your information or activity log. Facebook stores many types of account activity here, including posts, comments, search history, and interactions with ads. Click on Activity Log to continue. Once you're inside the Activity Log page, look for the Filters option. This allows you to narrow down specific types of activity connected to your account. Depending on your Facebook version, you may see categories such as ads, ad interests, recent ad activity, or ads you've interacted with. Select the category related to ad activity. After opening your ad activity history, Facebook will display the ads you've clicked on, interacted with, or recently viewed. From here, you can begin removing activity individually or clear sections of activity, depending on the options available in your region and account version. If Facebook gives you the option to clear ad activity, click the Clear or Remove button. In some cases, Facebook may only allow you to manage ad preferences rather than fully delete all activity history. You can still remove advertisers, hide certain ad topics, and reset parts of your advertising profile to reduce personalized ad tracking. You can also visit the Ad Preferences section inside Facebook settings. Here, Facebook shows information about your interests, advertisers you've interacted with, and topics used for personalized ads. Removing interests and advertisers from this section can help refresh your ad experience and reduce targeted advertising connected to your activity. After making your changes, the updates are usually applied immediately to your account. Keep in mind that Facebook may still use some activity data internally for security, analytics, or platform functionality, even after certain activity is removed from your visible history. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete Facebook ad activity and manage your advertising preferences on Facebook. Regularly reviewing your activity settings is a good way to improve privacy and maintain better control over your account experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Facebook, Meta, and tech tutorials.